One very specific rule that's immensely important in this project is annotating PII. PII stands for Personally Identifiable Information. Whenever we hear any kind of PII, we should label that part of the speech with the PII annotation. The guidelines contain a list of everything that's considered PII, but most often we encounter PII when speakers say their names. For an example, if the speaker says at this point, "Hello, my name is John Smith," we will transcribe the "Hello, my name is" part, and for the part where the speaker says their name, we should select the PII annotation. Some kinds of names, though, shouldn't be marked as PII, and these are names of internationally famous people or celebrities such as Tom Hanks, Taylor Swift, Michael Jordan, etc. Also, fictional characters such as Sherlock Holmes or Harry Potter, for example, shouldn't be labeled as PII.